Wise Grasshopper, and today's video I will show you how I wrap my hands for boxing. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, I learned this from my trainer at North County MMA. The way he told me is you want to get this loop and put it over your thumb like this. It's important to see this label right there. You want to go this way with a label, and you want to go outside of your hand, not this way. You want to go on your wrist one time. Make sure you keep your wrist straight as much as possible, and then now we will make the padding for your knuckles. You want to go 5 or 6 times wrapping your knuckles. Don't forget to count. Now that's 5 right there. Now what you want to do is, when you're done with your pad for your knuckles, you want to go around. You want to go outside of your thumb. Now we're gonna go around your fingers, or 5 of your fingers, to protect them. So I like to start with the middle finger. You go in, and then out, and then outside. Go outside of your hand, across the wrist, and then now we got your middle finger. Now let's go for the ring finger. So we're gonna go inside, and then come back out, and then out this way. You never want to go this way, always away. So, and then now you get your index finger. The same thing. You want to go in, and then out, and then away. Now, what's left is your pinky and your thumb. The pinky is tricky, because you kind of have to do it tight and kind of high. I have problems with getting the pinky. So out, and then in. Outside, and then go through like this. You want this, especially the pinky, to be tight, because it will slip off like that. So you have your middle, ring finger, index, and then your baby finger. And then from here, I go around the wrist once, maybe twice, and then, hold on, let's fix this. And then what you want to do is, you go around twice over your wrist, and then on the third time, you want to catch the thumb in, and then out, and then away. Now go around the wrist one time, and then it's very important to do this one. You're gonna want to use a wrap to go across your palm and then away from your hand. That locks it in. And then now you have all this rap still left over. So what I like to do is use the rest of the wrap to go around my wrist. Just to use it up. And then you have a wrap. You have a Velcro right there. All you have to do is wrap it and then secure it with the Velcro. And then if it's too tight for you, you can pull these things if it's too tight, and you can fix this part of it so you can come to comfortably close your hand when you make it fast. And yeah, that's how I wrap my hands every time I hit the heavy bag. Okay guys, the hands is all wrapped. Now I'm gonna explain why should you wrap your hands. Hand wraps are not, it's not for adding more padding. It's actually, hand wraps is for to protect your bones from collapsing from one another. The bones in your hands they're very small and really easy to break. That's why you wrap your hands, to protect your knuckles, your fingers, and your wrists. Yeah, a lot of people don't know that. They think they wrap their hands because to add more padding. That's wrong, and that the padding is from your boxing glove, not hand wraps. Hand wraps protects the bones, the ligaments of your hand. Your hand is not designed to punch. It's actually designed to write, to paint and stuff like that. Never to punch. If you want to strike an eye in the street, strike with your palm. Never close, or try never to close and punch with your hand. Strike with your palm. Okay, that's all that is all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel. Thank you.